Alright friends, in this exercise we will calculate the sum of numbers from 1 to 5 using a recursive function. So in our previous lesson, what we did multiplication for finding a factorial. Here is really similar to our previous exercise. I just put plus operator instead of multiplication operator. So let's check this code. Here, for example, I sent 4 value. Here x is 4. And then I'm checking this if statement. If is equal to 1, no. So it enters else block. Just focus on this return statement. X is 4 and then plus factorial 3. What's factorial 3? Is 3 plus factorial 2. What's factorial 2? Is 2 plus factorial 1. So if x is 1, it returns 1. So here it returns 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. So what I need to do? I need to calculate the sum of numbers from 1 to 5. So I write inside the print function sum of numbers from 1 to 5 is equal to, and then I calculate using this factorial function, and inside I just give 5 as an argument. I run it, right click and run it. You see sum of numbers from 1 to 5 is 15. Logic is same. We call it recursive function, call it again, and after it enters our stopping condition. So we stop this recursive function. Super.